welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be filming a fall thrift with me. So I am not quite sure if we were going to be actually finding fall decor at the thrift store or if we're just going to be finding random odds and ends, just some good decor pieces. You never know, because again, it's thrifting and it's always a surprise. But today we're going to be heading to Renew. So if you guys are new here and you didn't know, I do work at a local thrift store. I go in there once a week and I find my favorite things in the store. I share it over on Instagram. It's a thrifting day once a week over there on stories. I share all the things so that way any locals can come into the store, shop after I share what I have and what I found that week. And then sometimes I will share the videos over here on YouTube as well. That way you guys can kind of get a feel for the things that you can find at thrift stores, prices, different things like that. And then the really fun part is that at the end of thrifting day, whenever I go through the whole store and find all of my favorite picks, I will style a display section that is dedicated to the simplistic home. So it's really fun. I found some really good things there in the past, and a lot of the items that I thrift and that I have in my home that I used to decorate with have came from this thrift store. So like I said, you never know. Sometimes it could be hit or miss because again, it is thrifting, but 9 times out of 10 I do find a lot of really good things. But today we're going to be heading there. I'm currently sitting in my driveway getting ready to head that way. It's about 30 minutes from my house. So anyway, it's a nice like country drive and I really enjoy that. Most of it's country drive anyway, but anyway, so let's go ahead and get to thrifting. I hope we find some really good things today because I'm excited to share with you guys. First up, when I go into Renew, I always take a look at the furniture and the clothing. So that's what I started with today. I decided to go ahead and take a peek at all of the furniture because you truly just never know what you're going to find at a thrift store. I have so many pieces of furniture in my home that are my absolute favorite that I have thrifted or found on Facebook Marketplace and things like that. So like I said, you just never know. But one of my favorite little sections here, and I always look at it, is the chair section because you can find some really unique pieces, like I said. And like I said, I have incorporated so many in my home already. So I always like to show that to you guys and just take a peek and see what they have out. But one of my favorite things that I found this day as far as furniture were these little wooden folding chairs that were so cute. I know these are kind of trending right now and a lot of people like to use these in their home or at events and things like that. So I really like those. And then I also found a beautiful piano. If I had room for it in my home, I would absolutely love to have it. It is so gorgeous. Another thing I like to keep an eye out for are festive chairs. So this wooden with the green base here, I think would be so cute for Christmas. I contemplated buying it for my kitchen to put in the corner next to my secretary and put like a little Christmas tree or something on it, but I didn't end up purchasing it. But another thing that I always keep an eye out for at thrift stores are hutches. So this one was only $100. It was an excellent price and in really good condition as well. And you can paint them and whatnot too. But as you can see, when I went through the store, I was able to find tons of home decor. So let's go ahead and take a peek and see what I found. As you guys can see, I found lots of really pretty greenery. That is something I always keep an eye out for in thrift stores as well because you can find some really good pieces. And I also love looking for wooden trays. So I found this one. It was an excellent price and it was originally from Target. As you can see here, it was the Threshold brand. So really good quality. There's just certain things that I like to keep an eye out for when I go thrifting. Greenery, Target brands, and just all of my favorite stores are definitely my go-tos when it comes to thrifting and just keeping an eye out for those pieces. But I also found these really pretty lavender hanging planter arrangements. So I thought of 2 different things. Number one, you can just stick this in a vase and just have it as a standing arrangement. Or I even thought about how you can hang them on the wall because I have those wooden window panes in my dining room. And I thought that would be really pretty to incorporate for spring, and you can kind of switch that up a little bit as well. So just an idea if you guys ever come across anything like that.
thing I like to keep an eye out for while thrifting are baskets. So this one was really awesome. I love the lid. I wish I would have grabbed it. You guys will see I do have a mini haul at the end of this video, but I didn't end up picking any decor up, unfortunately. But anyway, like I said, they did have some really cute pieces though, and I loved that basket. Really regret not buying that. And I don't know, whenever I go thrifting, I like to just kind of use my imagination and just see how could I style these in my home if I were to purchase them. Or like I said at the beginning of this video, I do put all of these things on display before I leave for the day. And I don't know, I just really like to make it look very pretty and inviting, so that way you guys can imagine it in your own home. So that's what I was doing here with this little section. I just thought that these pops of yellow were beautiful. Now on to the fun part, which is styling the display section. So as you can see here, this is the before. It was extremely bare. There was nothing there. And I decided to go ahead and style all of these pieces. And this is what it turned out afterwards. So the pops of green are really just speaking to me. I love that. Just any greenery added to a space just makes everything look so much more homey and inviting, in my opinion. So being able to thrift those pieces and just place them nicely on this display, I think just really draws people in. And I really loved those clear canisters. I actually have some of those in my kitchen. So anytime I can find those at a thrift store, I'm super excited. I also really loved this little kid's wooden rocking chair. I think that is so, so cute. And one of my favorite things that I find at thrift stores as well are clothing items. And as you guys could see there, I had 2 racks full of clothes that were just really great pieces.
Hey guys, so I am back home now. I do have a little bit of a haul. It's just clothing though. I didn't end up buying any decor today, which is kind of shocking. I'm turning these lights on real quick, brighten it up. Anyway, but they did have some really cute things as you guys saw. But what I bought today was just clothing items for myself because I'm trying to, I mentioned this at the beginning of the video, I'm really wanting to get some more clothes that I can wear the rest of my pregnancy that will last me all fall and winter long. I am due in February. And so cardigans and sweaters and things like that will work out for me great, but I just feel like I'm very limited to like very few items right now and I kind of wear the same thing all the time. So anyway, I did find a few things. I'll flip you guys around here in a second and show you what I got. Nothing too exciting, but I think they're really cute pieces and things that I can wear all fall and winter long, like I said. So go ahead and look at that now. Okay, so the first thing is just this sweatshirt. It's like a khaki color sweatshirt. It is from Old Navy and it is a small. It was only $6, but I do have a discount code that I use there for 15% off. So I have this. It is, like I said, a size small, but it's very oversized and something I can wear now and also after I have him as well. And then I got another Old Navy top. This one is a size extra large and it's just a black and white stripe, just like long sleeve tee, but it's really flowy and comfortable. And again, something I could wear afterwards too. And then this one is a really pretty, like, it's coming up more yellow, but it's really just like a, I don't even know what color this is, what to call it, kind of like a mixture of, I guess like a rust and yellow, but it's really pretty as well. So I got those 3 and yeah. So anyways, that's what I picked up today while I went thrifting. So as usual, if you guys enjoy Thrift With Me's affordable decorating, affordable all things home, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new. I will be having a fall front porch decorate with me coming very soon. That'll be one of my next videos. And yeah, that's all I have for today. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Be sure to hit that bell notification. That way you are notified every time I post, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.